Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Chad here. I'm teaching you about the determinants of matrix. So here you are watching a video about me writing and answering and discussing about the videos of in matrix. Go.
Today's lessons, it's going to be about the introduction to determinants of matrix. So, what is determinant? Determinant of a matrix is a special number that can be calculated from a square matrix. So, it must always be a square matrix from 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, and so on. It is represented as if there are two vertical lines on the sides of the symbol to represent the matrix, just like this one right here. So, may we begin? So first of all, we're gonna deal with the 2 by 2 matrix. As it is shown here in A, um, we multiplied 3 by 6 for the first diagonal because this is gonna be our formula. As you can see, the diagonal 1 minus diagonal 2 is gonna be equal to the determinant. So the diagonal 1 must look like this, and the diagonal 2 must look like this. So our diagonal 1 is 3 and 6, right? So 3 and 6 is gonna be 18, and 2 and 5 is gonna be 10. So 18 minus 2 and 10 is gonna be 8. So that's gonna be our determinant. But what about our B? So in our B, it's gonna be it's gonna be the same. So it's gonna be 6 times 11 minus 8 times 12. So 6 times 11 is gonna be 66, and 8 times 12 is gonna be 96. So our determinant for B is gonna be equal to negative 30. So it's just that easy. Maybe head to determinant of 3 by 3 matrix are gonna be the biggest example for today. So dealing with 3 by 3 matrix, just like 2 by 2, we will be subtracting the first diagonal to the second diagonal. But the first diagonal has 3 diagonals. So those 3 diagonals must be added, and the other 3 must be added as well. But since we are dealing with 3 diagonals, to satisfy the subtraction, we need to copy the first 2 columns right here. So I represented our matrix to be A, and this is gonna be our rows. The first subscript is gonna be our rows, and the second subscript is gonna be our column. So now we can start. This is the final equation that we had added. So it's gonna be too long if we have put it already here and everything there. So next is our example.